viewers, welcome to Elimu TV, where you watch and learn. I'm teacher Alex Musawa and I'll be taking you through Physics Form 1, Lesson 26. And our title is Rectilinear Propagation and Reflection at Plane Surfaces. The objectives of the lesson are to investigate the properties of light as it travels in a straight line. Number 2, to investigate opaque, translucent, and transparent objects. We have various sources of light. As you can see, we have the moon, we have the sun, we have bulbs, we have fireflies, we have torches, we have candles, we have stars, comets, and many others. And we have two types of sources of light. There are those sources that produce their own light. They are called luminous objects. And the sources that do not produce their own light are called non-luminous objects. Example, the moon is a source that does not produce its own light, while the sun produces its own light. And we have various kinds of beams of light. And as we know, a beam of light is a bundle of rays of light. And a ray of light is a path through which light follows as it travels in a straight line. The first kind of beam of light is the divergent kind of light. In the divergent beam of light, light from a source diverges outwards as it spreads. The second one is the convergent beam of light. This is whereby the various rays from a source converge and meet at a single point. We have the parallel beam of light. This is whereby the rays from a source of light are parallel to each other. Okay, the various objects that we have opaque objects. Opaque objects, these are objects that do not allow light to pass through them. Instead, they block the rays of light, forming a shadow. Examples are wood, a brick, a blackboard, a rod of iron, a car, a tree, and a cow. Next, we have translucent objects. These are objects that allow light to pass through, but you cannot see through them. Example are the bathroom windows. When you go to the bathroom, when you see your window, it is translucent. That means you cannot see through it, but light can pass through it. Another example of translucent objects are church windows. The church windows only allow light to pass through, but you cannot see through them. Next, we have transparent objects. These are objects that allows light to pass through them, and you can also see through them. A better example is your spectacles. They are transparent. That means you can see through them, and also they allow light to pass through them. Also, the lens is one of examples. The window and the bottles. Also, the windscreen of a car is a transparent object. The activities that you are required after this lesson. Number 1, you're supposed to define a transparent object. Number 2, an opaque object. Number 3, a translucent object. Our reference is KLB Book 1, the 5th edition, 2019. For more information, contact us on our short message service number. You can find us on YouTube at Elimu TV, on Facebook at Elimu TV, and on Twitter at Elimu TV_KE. Thank you, viewers. Stay tuned.